What?
Yeah, we can see the world right there.
Yeah.
That tornado goes by. We might see where Tim was driving.
Could. Tornado on the ground. Good sized tornado.
Yeah.
Very good sized tornado.
Yeah.
Nux. Thomas, what is it?
Tornado! I think just tornado style.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody's just out here.
Bye-bye.
Possible rotation right up there too.
Oh yeah, yep, got another one started. Now. Fucking again. Sorry, my language, but seriously. That there is the fucking tornado on the ground just northwest of our house. Again. Oh, the power went out. Holy fuck.
Look at that puppy.
Oh yeah. Wow, they already got the electric and everything out.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
What I like to do is turn off this road and parallel and see where it goes.
You just follow behind it.
I don't want to go behind it too much. I want to be able to slow and watch it. There's going to be people out here that want to get going. Yeah, see there, they turned off there too.
You don't want to turn off here.
Yeah, off this main road.
Just make it U-y.
We're going to go parallel on the side road.
All right.
There's nobody out there.
Yeah, I was wondering why they turned it off.
No, it's still going.
I seen it twirling in between the buildings, and then it blew up after that.
Big tornado here. North of Washburn. Probably down along Route 26.
getting smaller.
Yeah.
It's going up.
Tornado. Yep, literally tornado. I got it. There it is. Holy crap, guys. There it is.
It's already done. Dissipated. Holy crap. Oh my god.
It looks like it might be picking up.
Look at it picking up. Look at
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No way.
That's on the other side of the river, right?
Yeah. It's right on the, oh, there it is. Wow. There it is. And no sirens going off at all. No sirens. Holy crap. You gotta call Taylor. Hey, he just left too. He was watching that. He's like, I think a tornado might touch down. He was right. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. This is right on, we're staying on Cloverdale in Chile. And it looks like it's building. Oh yeah. Look at that forming right now. That's crazy. Wild. We'll update you soon. Yeah. We're just hanging out. Just pulled up at home, seen that.
We're breaking in again one more time for a tornado warning. This one is in Lancaster.
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot down tailspin air.
That's what the people in the know for.
fucking tornado right in our fucking backyard. I gotta take cover. Oh, fuck. It's a tornado. There's shit flying everywhere. Want to see steak here? Maybe head into town a bit.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my. Wow, what's that flying in the air?
Wow.
Yeah, it's going past us. It's going into town, unfortunately.
God, I hope this doesn't kill people, dude. We might end up having to drop and do search and rescue.
I think we'll definitely have to.
I have steel toe boots on me, so. Oh my god.
Wow, this thing's hurt. This thing just sped up a lot.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go down so I can see it past my face. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Looks like now it's heading towards Washburn. It's changed direction.
I'm not bothering you, am I?
Huh?
I'm not bothering you, am I?
No, you're good. No, sir. You are all good.
We were driving by and I seen it dropping down and I was like, oh shit, that's a tornado.
Yes, it is. Oh my God, man.
Look at that rotation.
Look at it. It's crazy. I'm going to get it recorded to the National Weather Service really quick.
Yeah, she's calling them right now.
Okay, perfect.
Call 911, babe. Between, it's a heading towards Casanova and Washburn. I believe there's a very large tornado on the ground between Metamora and Casanova headed to Washburn. South of Washburn.
Okay.
We have it on video. I have a trained weather. How big is that? You're the trained guy.
I would say about half-mile wide.
Half-mile wide?
The cloud's about a mile wide, but I'd say the tornadoes are cold.
Yes, ma'am. Here, I'll put you. This guy knows more. Here, hold on.
Hi, I'm a trained storm spotter. The wall cloud's about 1 mile wide. Rapid rotation. Looks like a cone tornado on the ground right now. Yes. But the tornado's not 1 mile wide. The wall cloud is 1 mile wide. Yes, ma'am.
All right, sorry to bother you. I just want to let you know. Thank you, ma'am.
Are we safe over here?
Oh, yeah, we're safe here. It's going that way.
Yeah, it's going north of us. We're in the perfect spot.
I'm gonna call Joe.
Holy smokes.
That's going to tear shit up.
Massive tornado. Feel the RFD. Look at the left side wall cloud here. Look at that rotation.
Look at the finger.
Wedge. It's growing in size.
That thing's getting huge.
Oh my God, this is nuts.
Feel the down backdraft from it?
Yeah, this is the RFD, the rear flame downdraft on the left side.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Look at the wall cloud wrapping on that left side.
I'm getting cold.
Oh yeah, that's the RFD. It's very cold. Wow, guys, it's a massive tornado here.
Get out of the road! You're gonna get hit!
Look at that wall cloud spin. It's gonna get right here, and it's really gonna track right in between the street line. So we're in a really good spot. That's the real line to have to stop. Probably could have gotten a little bit closer, but if you look, the terrain up here is really bad. And I think this is probably the best visual I could have with this tornado on the ground here. Just to the south of Washburn, guys. A massive tornado on the ground. A hog.
Call Frank right now. Give me Frank's number.
expecting an ambulance.
There is a massive tornado heading to Varna. I'm making sure you're aware. It's been on the ground for 10 minutes. We're watching it.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Peoria for his daughter's birthday, and we saw it start. We have to get home. Like, we have animals at home, but it's a funnel cloud. It's been on the ground for 10 minutes.
It's a tornado
It just
now.
crossed the road in front of us.
It's down, isn't it?
There it is, going right behind the house. There went the power lines. It's on the ground.
Oh my God.
Just went behind our place.
Perfect storm. Oh my God, we're so lucky. Okay, all the way down.
I can't believe Jeannie's not following it.
I'm too upset. I heard it. I got it on camera. Steve is out there in the middle of that.